Hey, look at this beautiful Jeep pickup, man. 1957. Look at that. Original color, maybe? Could be. Maybe not. And what was this called again? The Hurricane 4, I think? 4-cylinder? Four-wheel drive, 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 drive. Look at that truck mirror, man, eh? Classic truck mirror, man. Looks like it's gonna start raining again, for crying out loud. Man, this thing's really original. Well, I'd like to dedicate this video to my father-in-law, Marcel, who used to drive one of these when his dad bought one for their cottage in the Mauricie region, not far from Trois-Rivières. Except I think they had a 60, and it was red. Nice gas can there. Volare. I have a drawing of one of these. And that looks really original too. But I don't know. It's an old fucking paint job, that's for sure. Oh man, that looks redneck, eh, with that screen there. That's neat. Yeah, driver condition. Good shape though. I mean, come on, for a Jeep, for what it is. I mean, look at this. There's even a fucking Escort here. Christ, an Escort. What was known as, advertised as the world car. Of course, I found out recently one of the reasons why they called it as because of so many of the parts of it were made overseas. Yeah, those mirrors, man. They trip you, man. I think the last time I saw mirrors like that was on an old Grumman step van. This Chevy's not bad too, actually. Eh? It's got some great patina. Got Leonard Skinner playing their music. Yeah, I almost hesitated filming this thing because I filmed one last summer in Laval and it was dark green. You know? Yeah. Doesn't get more Spartan than that, eh? Yeah, that's how it was, man. Hope you guys liked it. Bye!